The student who comes under the Karnataka domicile under different clauses, their first priority is government college or government quota in private college. Even in the government quota in private college also, fee is very low, around 1.5 lakhs per annum is the fee structure. Few deemed university fee structure is little high. All the students who are looking for government college or low fees private college, they are looking for admission in GM category. For that, in this video, I am giving you the complete informations regarding the government college cutoff of 2024 and also government quota cutoff of different private colleges. I have also mentioned the fee structure in different private college and the deemed university. So go through this video and get an idea which all colleges you will be having the possibilities. The student who comes under the domicile of Karnataka state, they all participate in Karnataka counseling under GM category. First, I will tell you what is GM category. The student who comes under the Karnataka domicile, they belong to GM category, but under GM category, which all colleges are there? First category is government college. All the government colleges seat comes under the GM category. Second is all private college and private university, which all are there in Karnataka. They all have government quota seat. That also comes under the GM category. Give an example like MS Ramaya Medical College, like Kempegoda Medical College. These all colleges, they have the government quota seat where the fee structure is very low. It is around 1.5 lakhs per annum. These all seats comes under the GM category, like Kempegoda, like MS Ramaya, Baidei, Father Muller, MRMC Gulbarga, JJM. These all college have the GM category seat. Apart from that, in deemed university, which all are there in Karnataka, they also have the government quota seat, which is called the GM category. Most of the cases, their fee structure is less, but few of the college fee structure is little high. Like I can tell you, like JNMC Belgaum, their fee is little high. Yanapaya Medical College fee structure is little high, but in JGMMC, this medical college, which has started in the year of 2020 in Hubli, which is part of the KLE University, their fee structure is little high. Their fee is 6 lakhs per annum in GM category. So under GM category student, government college will be there, government quota in private college and private university is there. Also in government quota in deemed universities will be there. In today's video, I will be giving you the complete cutoff of GM category in different government college, government quota in private college, government quota in private university, also government quota in deemed university. I will share with you the rank and also the score in 2024. Student, myself Ayan Ghosh, I am from Careermudhra, Bangalore. We will keep updating you all information related to the counseling or 2025 MBBS admission. So if you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel to get all relevant information. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get all information immediately. Student, I am mentioning you the cutoff score as well as cutoff rank in the scheme. But when I'll tell you only the cutoff score, because by score you will able to relate more effectively. But if you want to know the cutoff rank, you can get an idea about the cutoff rank also from the scheme. So Bangalore Medical College, one of the premium medical college, their cutoff score was 687. KMC Mangalore, their cutoff score was 675. Mysore Medical College cutoff score was 673. Karnataka Institute of Medical Science Hubli cutoff score was 666. Atal Bihari Vajpayee Medical College Bangalore cutoff score was 675. MS Ramaya Medical College, one of the premium medical college, cutoff score was 666. ESI Medical College Bangalore cutoff score was 666. JSS Medical College Mysore cutoff score was 665. Kempegowda Institute of Medical Science 660 was the cutoff score. Bidar Institute of Medical Science Bidar 631 was the cutoff score. Mandya Institute of Medical Science Mandya 656 was the cutoff score. Simoga Institute of Medical Science cutoff score was 651. Next is Father Muller Medical College, cutoff score was 653. Belgaum Institute of Medical Science Belgaum 655 was the cutoff score. SGM Medical College Dharwad 637 was the cutoff score. Gulbarga Institute of Medical Science cutoff score was 652. Hassan Institute of Medical Science cutoff score was 651. Vijayanagar Institute of Medical Science, Bellary 654. Vaidhi Institute of Medical Science in Bangalore, cutoff score was 648. JNMC Belgaum, cutoff score was 646. BGS Global Institute of Medical Science, Bangalore, cutoff score was 637. B.R. Ambedkar 630. Raichur Institute of Medical Science 632. Chikbalapur Institute of Medical Science, Chikbalapur 631. Gadag Institute of Medical Science 640. JJMMC JJM Davangere 632. JJM Davangere 632. Kesagri Medical College 646 was the cutoff score. Chamarajanagar Institute of Medical Science 634 was the cutoff score. Koppal Institute of Medical Science 629 was the cutoff score. Kodagu Institute of Medical Science Medigiri 628. PS Institute of Medical Science Electronicity, which started last year, 625 was the cutoff score. Ajay Shetty Institute of Medical Science Bangalore 632 was the cutoff score. Karwar Institute of Medical Science 627 was the cutoff score. Chikmagalur Institute of Medical Science 621 was the cutoff score. Yenapa Institute of Medical Science Mangalore 618 was the cutoff score. Yenapa also fee structure is little high. It is not 6 lakhs, but it is approximately 4 lakhs per annum is the fee structure in Yenapa. Saptagiri Institute of Medical Science Bangalore 610 is the cutoff score. SSIM Davangere 618. BGS Medical College and Hospital Bangalore 608. BGS also started in the year of 2024. Then Dhananjay Sagar 620. MBJ Institute of Medical Science 612. And after that Haveri Institute of Medical Science 613. Chitradurga Institute of Medical Science 600. Haveri Institute of Medical Science 618. And Chitradurga Institute of Medical Science 613. Adichunchanagiri Institute of Medical Science 615. Subaya Institute of Medical Science 612. Siddhaganga Institute of Medical Science in Tumkur 614. Yadgiri Institute of Medical Science Yadgiri cutoff is 614. Kanachur Institute of Medical Science Mangalore 602 is the cutoff. Srinivas Institute of Medical Science Mangalore 602 is the cutoff. S. Nijalingappa Institute of Medical Science Bagalkot 608 is the cutoff. Oxford Medical College 604 is the cutoff. Akash Institute of Medical Science cutoff is 602. And MRMC Gulbarga 611. Then Chitradurga Basaveshwara Medical College 602. GMMC Dharwad, what I told you, the fee structure 6 lakhs per annum. In this GM quota seat, 598 was the cutoff. KBG Sulia 602 is the cutoff. East Point Medical College 605 is the cutoff. Navodaya Institute of Medical Science 602 is the cutoff. Chamundeshwari Medical College 602 is the cutoff. Sridevi Institute of Medical Science 603 is the cutoff. Madhusudan Sai Institute of Medical Science 611 is the cutoff. In Madhusudan Sai, fee structure is 750 rupees per annum, but there is certain kind of bond is there, so you have to be careful regarding the bond details. KBN Gulbarga 601 is the cutoff. Alamin Medical College 599 is the cutoff. SR Patil Medical College, which has started in Bagalkot 2024, their cutoff was 600. This is all the cutoff score of GM category in 2024. Parallelly, here it is mentioned the rank also. If you want to know the rank, you can get an idea from this side. Rank also we have mentioned. If you are looking for seat in GM category, the score has to be 600 plus. If you consider in terms of the rank and all, then ideally the rank has to be above 77,000, 70. So, safe score is below 75,000, I can tell you. So this is all the cutoff of GM category. From there, you got an idea which college you can get in which rank in Karnataka. If you are looking for our counseling guidance, then you can contact in this number given 9900486666. If you have any query, you can give your valuable query in the comment sections of the video. We will reply on your query. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much, students.